Hi everyone, it's Liz. I'm back in another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I approach copying my favourite bra pattern using some kitchen roll, which is maybe unorthodox, I don't know. You may have seen in my last video that I made some high-waisted pants using no elastic, and I wanted to use the scraps of the fabric to make a cute matching seamless bralette. As ever, it's not a tutorial, I'm just showing you how I go about doing it. So I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you on the other side. So the first thing to do is pad out a bowl so that you have a form for the bra to lay over. I pinned some kitchen roll in place at the top of the bra cup, and then I traced all around the inner edge of the bra cup and pinned that in place as well. Then I pinned the kitchen paper in place down the other side of the bra and pinched a large dart out of the centre to give the pattern some shape. Then I traced around the bottom of the bra cup and made sure I traced around all of the edges, following the lines. And then finally traced down either side of the dart, down the centre. Then I removed all the pins and you can see that I have a rough bra pattern. I cut the pattern out using paper scissors, not my sewing scissors, and I left a 1/4 inch seam allowance at the bottom, and that's for attaching it to the band later. I cut the pattern out of cut and sew bra foam. You can get this from most places that carry bra sewing supplies. It comes in varying different thicknesses. This is quite a thin one. This is about 1 mil, I think. Make sure you flip your pattern over to get a mirror image. I sewed the pattern pieces together using a zigzag, just by butting the edges of the cut and sew foam up together as they go through the machine. I then laid the cut pieces onto some cotton lycra jersey. You'll recognise this if you watched my pants video last week. I cut around the bra cup by keeping it as flat as possible and used a massive seam allowance. Then I overlocked the bottom of the jersey to the bra cup and sewed all the way around the outside using a basting stitch. Then comes the really satisfying bit of trimming all the edges using the rotary cutter. And there we have 2 bra cups. So, in typical me fashion, I don't actually have any elastic or closure for this bra. I have some fold over elastic which I'm going to use for finishing the edges of the cups, but I do not have any bra band elastic in white, which is a bit of an issue, but I do have an idea of making a kind of strappy bra band using some of the elastic that I have in my stash, which is I think it's like 1/2 inch plush bra elastic. And also this is just going to end up being an over the head bra because I don't have any white closures. So rather than wait for some in the post, because I am tray impatient, I'm just going to make this an over the head pull on bra. I guess if you were going to try and follow this kind of semi sew along thing, you could buy a closure and just put that on in the normal manner. So there we go.
I measured around myself using the 1/2 inch elastic to get the measurement for my bra band, and then I attached 3 pieces of elastic the same length together using a shorter length of elastic to give a kind of cage effect. Then I found the side seam and marked that using a heat removal marker, and then realised that I'd forgot about the wings or band of the bra. So I made a wedge shape by roughly measuring how long that needed to be using the elastic and how high it needed to be using the side of the cup. And then I just cut that out and cut 2 pieces out of white stretch mesh, and I cut those out on the fold, so the top of that wedge went on the fold. I then enclosed the edge of the cup in fold over elastic. Just did this in one pass by folding the elastic over the edge and securing it with a zigzag. Then I added the wing. The folded side went to the top, and I sewed it down the side seam using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And I folded it back on itself and top stitched it. And then finally I added fold over elastic all the way down the underarm seam and all the way down the top of that wing. And I left myself about 1.5 inches at the top so that I could add rings to hold the bra straps. I then top stitched the cups onto the elastic cage. I added rings, added some bra straps, and then secured the bra straps in place at the back of the elastic cage. Hey everyone, I'm back. So that's that. I am all finished and I have a bralette that I actually really love. If it wasn't for the fact that I was a doofus and didn't realise that I didn't have a closure and didn't have any bra band elastic, I definitely would have just used some white plush elastic on the bottom, and I definitely would have added a closure as well. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out. It'll definitely be wearable. I do have a few bralettes that are pull on over the head style, so that doesn't bother me at all really. Looking forward to wearing this one, and I think it'll make a cute set with my avocado pants. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give it a big thumbs up down there and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!